Hi beauties, welcome back. I recently tried the isntree ultra-low molecular hyaluronic acid serum, and I must say, it has quickly become a staple in my skincare routine. This serum boasts 14 layers of moisture and incorporates fresh seawater from Olang Island, Korea, known for its mineral-rich properties that deeply hydrate the skin. One of the first things I noticed about this serum is its lack of scent, which I appreciate as I prefer unscented skincare products. The texture is lightweight and watery, which may not be everyone's preference, but I found it to be incredibly moisturizing without feeling greasy. However, if you prefer a thicker consistency, you may want to layer it with another product like argan oil, as I do. The directions recommend using 2-3 drops, but I found that using 5-6 drops works better for my skin, especially during drier months. Despite the lightweight texture, it absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving it feeling plump and refreshed. One of the standout features of this serum is its compatibility with makeup application. Unlike other hyaluronic acid serums that can feel oily and disrupt makeup, this serum creates a flawless base for makeup application. I noticed that my makeup stayed in place longer and looked smoother when applied over this serum. Overall, I am thoroughly impressed with the isntree ultra-low molecular hyaluronic acid serum. Not only does it provide ample hydration to my skin, but it also enhances the performance of my makeup. At $22 for a 50 ml bottle, it's reasonably priced for a hyaluronic acid serum of this quality. I highly recommend giving it a try, especially if you're looking for a lightweight, non-oily option that delivers on hydration and makeup compatibility.